what are the next steps in the evolutionary biology? I think this is really something which triggers me, because we have a lot of insights nowadays about neuroscience, and sometimes I think, people see their brain or their intellect as something like, a very modern device, I would say. And I always like to say, this is not an invention of the last 200 years. When you talk to evolutionary biologists, you know what they say? The latest update of this one was 2 million years ago. So what does that mean? We have a lot of evolutionary hangover, and we have to be very much aware about the fact that our brain is an organ, like our stomach, liver, the heart. And the brain has one key duty, which is keep us alive. And with that, we have a lot of so-called biases, misinterpretations. And therefore, my first and foremost advice when we think about, evolutionary biology, be aware or be very cautious when you look at your own thoughts. And my little phrase here is, do not necessarily believe what you think. And when you ask me about the evolution is not a very, very fast thing. Talking to students, I always ask them, do you believe you can survive without your iPhone? You know what they say? No. And then I reply, can you imagine, we can survive without digital devices, but we cannot survive without our, human traits like emotions and all of that. So I think the impact of evolution is so powerful and so strong, and it is it won't change so much in the next few decades or centuries. This is what I believe. The basic function. Our awareness will change, but the basic function, if we are not aware about the fact how reality comes into our mind, that this is like I said, a biological organ, and our reality is based on biochemicals. And biochemicals are a response on our emotional state and on our perception. And as long as we do not understand that, I think it's difficult to manage the challenges of daily life.